A warm welcome to all the viewers. In this video, I am going to quickly tell you how you can easily transfer your manual references to active links easily using Mendeley's desktop. So why is it needed? Sometimes the articles written by you have manual references. But when you go in to submit that article into a particular journal, that journal might ask you to make active citations in the article. Now you are in a trouble situation. How you can write the entire article once again using a reference management software like Zotero, EndNote or Mendeley. But don't worry guys. Now I'll tell you a way in which you can easily change those manually written references into active Mendeley desktop citations which will be quite acceptable by the journal. So how to do that? There's no need to have a Microsoft account for that purpose. Ideally, people are worried that they don't have a Microsoft account because Mendeley Citin plugin, which is the latest Mendeley Cite plugin, requires a Microsoft account to attach itself to your Microsoft Word document as a plugin. So to install that, you need to download it from Microsoft Store, which requires a Microsoft account. But this way, which I am going to tell you now, does not require a Microsoft account. So stay tuned, keep watching. Say for an instance, this is your article and it has certain citations. You can see the citations over here. And these are the corresponding references, right? Complete references in APA style, which you have manually done, right? Now you need to convert them into active Mendeley citations. How you can do that? I have listed down the steps over here so that you can easily follow them and do the needful. First, we'll go to the Mendeley desktop site, which is the old version of Mendeley reference management software. So we need to install that Mendeley desktop on our computers. This is the site which is given over here. We need to go to this site. This is the site you see, and we need to download this Mendeley desktop 1.1.9.3 for Windows. This is the latest version. Once you download it, you need to install it on your system. Once this is installed on your system, half of your worries are over now. Next, we go back to the document. We copy all these references which are written over here. We copy them and then we paste them in a different document. So there's a different Microsoft Word document where I have pasted those references without inclusion of the references heading, and there shouldn't be any numbers, serial numbers of these references. Now what we need to do? I click on all of them, select all of them, and then click on this paragraph to check how many paragraphs are there. The system checks how many paragraphs are there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signs, right? So what I need to do now? I need to press Control plus H. Control plus H and then a circumflex sign, small p, and replace this with double spaces. How to do double spaces within the paragraphs? I enter this circumflex P two times instead of one time, right? And I click on replace all. So it's done. It has made 7 replacements. Okay. So this is done. Now what next needs to be done? I need to save this file in a plain text format. I need to save this file in a plain text format. So for saving it into a plain text file, I go to File, then Export, change file type, and I select plain text. Save as plain text on my computer. Demo references by the name of demo references. I'll save it in my downloads, right? It will ask me this file conversion demo references.txt. This window will pop up. Here I need to click on other encodings, and here I need to click on UTF-8. So where is UTF-8? This is UTF-8, Unicode 8. Then press on OK. Once I press on OK, the plain text file is downloaded on my system. Next, I need to go to the browser and go to a website which is known as Text2Bib. Text2Bib. I go to this website Open this website. In case you have not registered, you need to register first and then log in. Since I have already registered, I simply need to log in with my registered credentials. It's completely free of cost, free to use. I'll enter my email address and the password. Log in. Once I've logged in, I'll go to this option convert and I select that plain text file which I have kept in the downloads. Go to the downloads. This is demo references plain text file. Click on open. This gets loaded. You see demo references.txt. To import references into Mendeley. So it asks me different options of reference management softwares, EndNote, RefWorks, Mendeley, Zotero. Since I am showing you a video on Mendeley, you can click on Mendeley. Then just check. You don't need to change any of these. This is all okay, right? This is all okay. So just need to press submit. Once I press submit, you see 6 items converted. It's mentioned over here. 6 items converted, right? And then I press on download bibtex file. This download bibtex file. This bibtex file will now get downloaded on my system in my downloads folder. And now I need to go to Mendeley desktop. So this is how Mendeley desktop looks like. Once you have downloaded and installed and you will open it, the Mendeley desktop will look like this. Now I need to create a folder. Click on create folder. Name this. I'll name it as demo references. Done. And once I go to this demo references, I need to bring that bibtex file over here. I need to just drag this file into Mendeley desktop. This bibtex.bib file. You see, instantly all the references come over here, right? So the system has recognized these references. They are in the system now. Now what I need to do? They are saved in the system. Just simply go back to my document, same document, initial document where I had the references. Now I will just delete all these manually written references. You'll see the magic. I'll delete all of them and then I need to go to the add-in, Mendeley add-in. So first go to file, options, add-ins, word add-ins, go and you see here. Since you have downloaded and installed Mendeley desktop on your system, this add-in will automatically come. You just need to add into your Microsoft Word, right? So I click on OK. Now, once I click on OK, I go to references. You see here in this block, I see open Mendeley, insert citation, right? So what I need to do now? I just need to click this one, say select this one, first in-text citation, then insert citation, and in place of this search by, you add this and then it pops up because this citation is related to the complete reference which we have entered right now, right? So I just need to click on OK. So now this is active. You see, once I click here, it becomes gray in color. It is active. You see the other one, it's not active. It's active. That means this reference will come here. So let me show you one more. We'll go with Galloway 2026. So I just need to select this one from my document, copy, insert citation. Yes. And here I need to paste this. See, it automatically comes this article. I click on OK. Why it automatically comes? Because it matches your in-text citation with the references which you have already uploaded here in the folder demo references in Mendeley desktop. This works without internet connectivity. So you don't even need internet connectivity for transferring the citations, making them active in your document. Once this is done, you see again when I put a cursor and click, left click, it becomes gray. It becomes gray. That means it has captured those active citations. Now, how to enter them under this reference? I just put my cursor over here and press here insert bibliography. Insert bibliography, right? So once I press insert bibliography, you saw both the references were automatically captured by the document. So this way, one by one all the in-text citations which you have put manually, you can convert them into active links using Mendeley Desktop easily without any fuss. So I hope the video was quite informative and useful for you, and you will definitely share it with your friends and faculty colleagues. See you next time with some more informative content. Thanks a lot.